Hey everyone, welcome to this video where I will help you out how to see your transaction history on Deriv. So the first thing that I will show you is how to find it right there on the Deriv trader. So we go to trade, multipliers, trade, and then he sent us right here to the Deriv web trader. Then what we're going to do is we select right here reports, and then we select right here trade table. And this is the place where you can find your transaction history. So this is where you need to be. Then if you go back, we go to trade again. And then we click right here on the CFD standard. And then we do trade. And then we do MetaTrader, web trader. And then we go right here to the three lines right here in the top. And then what we're going to do from here is we select Then what we're going to do right here is go to this history tab from here, and then you will find right here your transaction history from the MetaTrader 5 web trader. So these are the two settings that you need to know to get the transactions. Hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.